Hi guys, this is VNfatBIKER Studio. It's month of May. As I promised, there will be 4 to 5 drones na ipamimigay ko. And we'll start it today. Okay, disclaimer. Okay, disclaimer lang po. So lahat ng mga dinideliver po sa ating mga drone, kung ano ang pagkaka-unbox natin, kung ano ang laman, yun po ang inyong makukuha. Okay? Unless during shipment papunta sa inyo, if ever kayo ang nanalo, well, it's not my liability kung anong nangyari sa drone. Okay? And then, disclaimer again, fly at your own risk. Okay guys? And by the way, no, another disclaimer, first time lang po, once lang po ang pwedeng manalo ng drone dito kay VNfatBIKER Studio. If you win already or if you won already, well, you cannot take the second time to win a drone. So we can give a chance, again, give a chance to our fellow subscriber, okay, inside the Philippines, and we will try to make some drone giveaways outside the Philippines soon. Okay guys, so let's get it on. And the third drone for this month of May para ipamigay, i-unbox at i-ship sa inyo ng libre ay eto. Hi guys, we're back. If your first time to tune into my channel, please hit the subscribe button, like, share, pati na rin ang bell icon para kasama kayo for our every week or weekly drone giveaways and free shipping na rin. Okay? Again guys, this is the fourth drone for the month of May. Okay? Mag-June na. Ano ang pamimigay natin sa month of June? Let's see. Kaya supportan nyo na 5K subscriber to 10,000 subscriber. Marami tayong pakulo, okay? So, portahan na. Okay, let's unbox this one. This is the 4DRC camera drone. Okay, 4DRC camera drone na merong model na Vicky. Ewan ko, bakit Vicky? Sa dami ng pangalan ng model is Vicky pa. Okay, let's open it. Sa box, no? Kita nyo talaga, maganda yung box. Okay. Sa unahan, makikita nyo dito is mga QR code. Siguro yung about sa shipping. Oops! May another box na naman. So, wala naman. Okay, let's see. Sino ba itong si Vicky? 4DRC drone. Camera drone. Ito, naka-plastic pa rin siya. Malaki yung box niya, no? Ganda. Gaya nung the last third drone na pinamigay ko. So, may carrying case siya. Okay, malaki. And then, maganda. So, ano bang laman nito? Let's try to open it. And again guys, to win this, the fourth drone giveaways for the month of May, just listen, watch this video, don't skip ads, and make sure you are a legit subscriber of this VNfatBIKER Studio and follow the mechanics. Okay? Ang disclaimer again, ha? Kung nanalo na kayo ng drone, okay? Kung nanalo na kayo ng drone sa channel na to, guys, let's give chance to others. Once lang po ang pwedeng manalo ng drone. Pero sa ibang gadget, except drone, ay want to sawa po. Okay, kilala ko iba dyan, nanalo na ilang beses na. Dahil masipag at talaga nakatutok ay VNfatBIKER Studio. But on the drone itself, lahat po tayo ay once lang. Marami pang drone tayo dyan. Okay? Okay, this is it. This is the drone. So, ano mong laman muna? Tingnan natin. Of course, mukhang maganda yung klase. Yung 4DRC, oh. Mga manual. Looks good. Smells good. All brand new. Okay. Makikita yung operation manual, ang kapal. Ibig sabihin, maraming features to, no? So, di natin isa-isahin. This is only an unboxing, then straightforward, giveaways, and ship to you. Dami. Ang dami. Ang ganda. Ganda ng manual nila. Class A na Class A yung mga papel. Okay. Accessories. Medyo nakasilyado, ha. Kung sino yung mananalo dito, bubuksan ko na. O laman ito sa loob nito. Para makita nyo. Kaya sinabi ko, what I unbox here is what you get. No less, no more. Okay. Sirahin ko na. Plastic lang naman to. A standard na USB to micro USB charger. At meron kang free 4 na propeller. At walang kamatayang screwdriver. Pero orange naman. Tabi na natin, baka mawala. So, kompleto po yan. Okay. Sa remote control na tayo. Remote control! Kaya gano'n siya, remote control! Kasi maliit. Pero ang daming function, di ba? Parang alanganin yung, alam mo, yung kamay mo. So, ito yung multi-directional knob mo. Okay, meron kang iba pang meron siyang automatic hovering and landing. Okay. May flip din. Nag-flip, kaya rin niya. Sa LED, meron siyang multi-directional pang button. At dito sa ibabaw, makikita nyo na lang, naka-emboss na kami. Okay. Zoom yata ito eh. Hindi naman pwede maging volume. 1, 2, 3, 4 eh, no? Check nyo lang sa manual. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then, may shortcut din dito na flip. Okay? And then, paano natin lalagay cellphone? But before we go there, no? Ano bang battery rate? Okay. Tatlong AAA battery. Okay. Yung the third one, no? The third drone na pinabigay natin last week, no? Ano siya? Rechargeable. Kaya pala mabigat yung remote control. At saka ang bangis. Okay? Congrats sa mga previous winner natin ng mga drones for the past weeks of May, month of May, no? So, ayan. Okay. That's the cellphone. There you go. Okay. So, next is, ito na yung drone na mismo. So, wala naman. Excuse me. So, maganda, no? Maganda yung housing niya, yung carrying case niya. This is the drone. Alam nyo na siguro, I already teach you, coach you about how to unfold and fold a folding drone para hindi makasira. Okay, ito yung harapan at ito ang front stand na merong mahabang footings. Same goes here and the front at the back, the rear, maliit lang, so ganun po siya. There you go. That's a drone. Okay, this drone is 1080p. Let's check. 1080p or 4K? I think 1080p. Okay, the VICKY, as you can see here, the VICKY model, but still under the 4DRC. Okay, and then makikita nyo dito is paligid. This is the power on button to start. Okay, yung camera natin may plastic seal pa siya, no? And then, sa ilalim din is may camera rin. Okay? Saan ka pa? Let me double check. Yes, it's camera. Hindi siya sensor. Camera siya. Ang bangis. May camera ka dito, may camera ka sa bottom. Saan ka pa? Okay? And then the battery, ito, snap on. And this is your battery. At yung charging port. Okay? So there you go. That's the battery. Ibabalik ko na. Subukan natin i-power on. Okay? Anong kulay na niya? Oops. Wait a minute. One low ba? May umilaw pa. Okay. There you go. That's your drone. That is VICKY drone. Okay guys, no? So, ang ganda nito. May camera sa ilalim. Kagaya ng dalas drone na pinamigay din natin, mayroon siyang bottom camera. Okay, and then mayroon din siyang camera sa upwards, camera sa harapan. These are 1080p. And then guys, this is yours. This is yours. Sa inyo po itong drone na to. So just follow the mechanics, okay? So listen carefully. Ito na po ang mechanics. Okay, papatay ko na, ha? Sayang yung battery. The mechanics is very simple. Number one, you must be a legit subscriber po. Okay? Legit subscriber ng VNfatBIKER Studio. Number two, okay? Share this video. Etong video na to. Share this video to your respective FB page. At itag nyo ang Facebook ko. VNfatBIKER Studio. Here, VNfatBIKER Studio. And then put hashtag VNfatBIKER Studio. Hashtag VNfatBIKER Studio. That's it. So we will wait 6 to 7 days. Okay? 6 to 7 days. Okay? kung sino man ang may pinakamaraming Facebook reaction, okay, wins this Vicky drone. Okay? But again guys, invite your friends, your Facebook friends to subscribe, okay? Like and share our video, okay? Para sila rin ay magkaroon ng mga drone na ina-unbox natin at iba pang mga giveaways. Malayo mo, may mga consolation prize pa. Diba? It depends on us. Kung talagang makikita ko naman, yung mga nag-e-effort ng todo, lahat magkakaroon ng mga secret consolation prize. Kung talagang nag-effort base sa assessment ko. So, ganun lang kasimple guys. Okay, you know the mechanics, you know the drill, and this goes is your let's get on.